Alright, so first we will start with simple cross leg posture. You can sit any posture. This is Sukhasana. You can sit like this also. Any posture you can sit comfortably. Then we can keep the spine straight. Relax the shoulders as straight as possible, but do not make the body tight. We will start with eyes closed. First, be aware of your natural incoming and outgoing breath. Just think about your inhalation and exhalation. Observe each and every incoming and outgoing breath for some seconds. Do not change the breathing pattern. Let it be natural. Natural incoming and outgoing breath. Do not let the mind to go here and there, only with the breath for some time. Alright. After exhalation, we can keep the spine straight. Check yourself. My spine is straight and relaxed. We will start with 3 times Om chanting. So inhale slowly, deeply. Om. Inhale. Last round. Experience the vibration of Omkar sound. It relaxes and energizes you. Namaskar Mudra in front of the chest and rub the palms together. Make them nice and warm. Cup them on the eyes. Slowly and softly you can open. First look at the palms with a smiling face and exhale, relax now. We'll start with neck movement. So inhale, head up like this, and exhale, slowly head down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, head down. Breathe in. Slowly breathe out. We can do this movement for 5 to 6 times. After that, relax. Then drop the head on the right side like this. Make sure the body is not going on the right side like this. Just we have to fix the head like here, and just as much as it goes. Suppose it is going this much, we have to bend this much. You must feel the stretch at the side of the neck here, the left side. And then center. Change left side, softly. Movement soft, and just we have to feel the stretch at the side of the neck. While holding, we can breathe normally. Inhale and come back. Exhale, relax. Side stretch for the neck. Then center, left side. This one also we can do 4 to 5 times. Then center here. Look behind to the right side. like this. Once again, watch here. The shoulders are not moving to look back. We have to move our head only. Gentle movement. Feel the stretch here. This part of the neck. Center. Change left side. Relax. While holding, always breathe normally. Exhale. If you hold for a long time. Center. Left side. Basic movement for the neck. Just increasing the blood circulation towards the neck. Center now. Then neck rotation. While doing this, try to keep the eyes open. Anytime you feel any giddiness, stop the practice. Just center and relax. Otherwise, slowly inhale up and exhale down. Then reverse. 5 to 6 times, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Then relax now, center it. Next one, we can stretch the hands up over the head like this. Activating the shoulders. Stretching the hands up and feel the stretch at the chest. Whenever you keep the hands up, try to feel the stretch. Do not force also. Let the body stretch up nicely. Keep inhaling and keep exhaling here like this. After some time, 10 to 15 seconds, breathe in, breathe out. We can exhale, drop the hands down and relax now. Slowly come down. Next one is bend the arms like this. Fingertips on the shoulders. Now inhale, hands out. Exhale, bend the arms. Stretch the hands forward and bend. Slowly straight and bend. 5 to 6 times. This is for the elbow joints. Exhale straight and relax now. Then drop the hands down. Relax for say 10 seconds. Let the breath come back to normal. Maintain the chest up. Anytime you feel any stiffness at the head, legs, you can open the legs out. Just hands back, loosen up the knees, relax the legs like this for some seconds. Once you're ready, then once again cross the leg and resume the practice. The next one, after elbows, we have to rotate our shoulders. Fix the fingertips on the shoulders. Inhale up and exhale down. We have to make circles. Inhale up, soft rotation. Inhale up. Suppose if you're getting any shoulder pain, you can do small also like this. Gradually, day by day, we have to make big circle. It is also good for the chest. It's open up the chest and it is good for the upper back also. You can watch from this angle here. Like this. So inhale, it's open up the upper back also. Most of the time our upper back stiff. Make sure the head is not down while doing like this. Try to keep the head up 6 to 8 times and then other side. Remember, inhale is up and exhale it down. It should come close. Ideally it should come close here, but the stiffness or tightness, it is completely fine. You can do it like this. But practice by practice, day by day, week by week, it has to come here. Then after that, arms straight. This will do 8 times and 8 times. Then relax here. Once again, relax for some time. Breathe in, breathe out. Also, to relax more, we can bend forward like this. One by one, hands in front, and slowly drop the head down. Now here, suppose you cannot bend that much. So you can use some stool or table or chair. So we can keep this part here. You can drop the hands like this. It can be out also, some big thing. Stool or table, and then exhale, you can drop the head down like this. Make sure while going like this, the hip should not come up. Otherwise you lose the stretch. Do not raise the hip. Just arms straight like this and exhale, head down. This one we can hold for 15 seconds. This is very relaxing. It's good for the stress relief. Inhale and slowly come back and exhale, relax now. You can use stool or some big table also is fine. Like this, you can hold it here on the sofa somewhere and then head down and relax. It also stretches the spine. It increases the blood flow towards the whole spine. After that, shoulders are done. Then back straight. Now one very important here, hands stretched in front is very good for the lungs, heart and the overall the upper body circulation. So watch here, hands in and out breathing. Inhale, hands out like this. When you move the hands back, you can also drop the head back softly. So that extra space for the chest so we can breathe in nicely. And as you exhale, stretch the hand forward. Watch here, when you stretch the hands forward here, the back has to go like this. Upper back and neck slightly forward here. But do not bend forward. So here, inhale and exhale. So one time we are stretching this part and the other movement we are contracting. And exhale. This one we can do 10 to 15 times. Exhale. Anytime you feel tired, just exhale, hands down, relaxed. Wait for some seconds, 5 seconds, 6 seconds, 10 seconds once you're ready. But do not take too long break also. 10 seconds is maximum. Then inhale and keep the body heat. Warm. Inhale back and exhale in front. Inhale back and exhale in front. Then hands down and relax now. Center straight. Some seconds inhale and exhale. How to inhale, exhale here? Keep the chest nicely up. Inhale, feel that. Chest is moving up and exhale. Chest is going downward. Do not force. Relax the shoulders. Shoulders should not move up like this. Shoulders are not going up. Shoulders are relaxed. Inhale and exhale. This one we can do 8 to 10 times in between. After that, slowly